swear, babe.
Hello good people, it's your girl Margarita Yara here, and today I'm happy to be here with another DIY video. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and do not forget to hit the red button and the bell right beside the red button so that you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to those who are coming back again, welcome, and I'm happy that you guys are here. So today guys, I'm gonna do another DIY. As you know, I've been doing DIYs. I will link the videos that I've done up here. I have refashioned a man's shirt into an off-shoulder top. I'll put a link right up here. I have done a detachable dungaree, and I'll also put a link up here, and I've also done a DIY denim skirt. And today guys, you don't know what you're gonna make. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Today we are gonna refashion a man's shirt into a trendy v-neck official top, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna put it on, or how you're gonna style it. Stay tuned, let's do this. Guys, this is what we need for our project: my mini sewing machine, my sewing kit, a pair of scissors, chalk, my pins, roller, elastic strap, and my shirt, of course. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video.